Austin Dam. Some of this stuff, though. Look at that. That's awesome. Earthen Dam Spillway. This is the spillway. Is it built in 1909? Broke in 1911. Wiped out the town of Austin and Costello, I think it was.
Sounds right.
78 people got killed. There is, I gotta find it too when we get there. There's supposed to be there's camping and picnic areas all around here. There's a trail you can hike. So we're just gonna see how far this goes. Surprisingly, we've never been here. Out of all the places that we've been to, this is a new one. If you look on Google Maps on the satellite, it is really easy to see the broken dam pits. They are massive, so it'll be real fun to stand next to those things and walk around. We're up here in northwestern PA, and I do believe we're still in Potter County. I could be wrong on that one, but we're south of Coudersport, near the town of Austin, or near the probably borough or village of Austin, because Williamsburg, of course, is the only town in Pennsylvania which is a commonwealth. So there you go. There's some trees down here, and again, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Oh, here it is.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
I don't know if you park here or
Mm-hmm.
how it works. Well,
Looks like we can't go anywhere else.
Doesn't really matter to me. We'll park right here. All right. We're on the top of it now, looking down. Look at this. And there's the highway 872 on the other side, so you can see it from there. Just trying to... That is the way we were going to drive down to get down, but that is closed off. But we can walk down if we feel so inclined. Look at that.
It said 50 feet tall,
50 feet tall.
534 feet wide.
And this whole thing would have just been full of back flushed water, and it broke and shot down that way. Oh my God. Look at that. I want to see if I can find that. There's a memorial to the woman of the local brothel, apparently, that was on the phone or telegram or whatever she was using to warn people that the dam was breaking. She was watching it happen live, and I think she might have ended up losing her life trying to save other people. So there's a memorial down there somewhere for her, so we'll have to go and check it out. And there's Marge, and there's Ryan.
Hi.
Yeah, so it's actually not too bad of a day outside. It's the 10th of February. It was the 11th of February today.
Yep.
11th. So this is our Valentine's Day weekend together, having a great time in Pennsylvania. We'll walk down and see if we can get down there. Be back. Stop this right now. There's some old millstones. And there it is. Big. Camping section's closed right now for the season, so it'll be opening up later. Like I said, there's 872 right there, but look at that. It looks like a castle you're walking up to. We made it down. Gravity helped. We didn't film on the way down because you're just going to hear huffing and puffing the whole time. Now, everything's probably going to be locked up because it's out of season, but I don't see any reason why we can't walk down here. 78 lost, no one forgotten. And there is a plaque with the names on them.
Yeah, up there.
Up here. So. Oh, okay. idea. This is cool.
Well, this triggered the breaking of it. About the laws.
Yes.
Infrastructure.
Yes. This dam tragedy helped put in jurisdiction about dam building and safety. They do not want you climbing on the dam ruins.
Well, it failed in a lot of spots.
Yeah. I guess when it burst, it really burst. I am not sure what
Ooh,
at this.
falling.
Let's see. Here it is. The victims of September 30th, 1911, Austin flood. Let's walk up to it, see if we can see what we see. Do not climb. I'm not really a climber. Wow. I don't know. I don't know if that gives you. It's hard to get perspective. Way the hell up there. Wow. Look at that old rebar sticking out. It's like 2 or 3 inches thick rebar. I thought I heard a trout just hit something on top of that water. And here's the water that caused it all. This shows you the stream was here before, the stream will be here after. Wow. Huge. Look at this. That rebar. It's like 2-inch square stock just twisted. That's crazy. Think about all the rocks that are in here too. What fossils and stuff might be in some of these rocks. Just really interesting stuff. Ryan's over there taking pictures. Got a big chunk of it right there. And right here it's serene, quiet. And there is some trout in there. I see one right, I can see it. I don't know if you can. He's in there though. He is in there. Right at the bottom. Right in the middle. Look at that guy. Wish I had my fly rod with me right now. I don't know if fishing's allowed here or not. Maybe. Maybe not. I'm not really sure. That's awesome. I thought I heard a trout hit the water, and I was right. This creek is Freeman Run. Is it? Let's see. Freeman Run. In memory of Charles and Grace Durr. I think Ryan's skipping stones. Something else, something to think of though too. Just see a big wall of rushing water coming to take you out. Just something to think about. Terrifying. I mean, she is. Shows you how big that's that's a small chunk. That's like 6 of her. And that's one of the small ones, so these are even bigger. Alright. Let's see what else. We'll walk around a little bit. Come back. Here we have the plaque memorializing Miss Cora Brooks, one of Austin's most colorful turn-of-the-century citizens. Cora Center, in the picture here, operated a local brothel on the hill adjacent to the dam. Upon seeing the dam break, she began calling townsfolk, including the operator. Her efforts are credited with saving hundreds more lives. So that's awesome. That is a nice memorial for a citizen that did a service to the area when her girls weren't servicing the area. So that's pretty good. But I think this will be all from us today. Yeah. So we had a good time. Now, the interesting thing is the dam is actually crumbling still. We were standing and watching it, and it's crumbling around itself. It's crumbling. It's literally crumbling in front of our eyes. So, you know, just interesting. Yeah. I don't know if that really tells to how it was built too. You know what I mean? So it's very interesting, and it's very breathtaking to see. It's a big structure, and I know sometimes it's hard to get like scale, but it's pretty damn big. Yeah, and I'm glad we made it, and the sun's coming out just to say hello to us. That's good. We're gonna leave you here. This is Paul
and Ryan.
Ryan, PA Outdoors. See you on the next one. Cheers.